My name is Adriana Clark. I'm the youngest daughter of Bunny Ruggs and the current president of This Is Jamaica, and also a very proud Jamaican. I remember being surrounded by paintings of beautiful black women, Marcus Garvey, Nanny of the Maroons, and being constantly reminded of that sense of pride in my history and my culture. And also growing up in a household with a reggae singer, reggae superstar, reggae royalty, Bunny Ruggs, really impacted my love for reggae music and the culture itself. If I had to think about who would be a Jamaican Person of the Year, I would have to say poet and author Peter Gracie, who is also the founder of This Is Jamaica and our current global diaspora representative of the Southeast region. I truly believe that he is not only impacting the children of Jamaica, but the entire diaspora at large. I believe he's truly representing Jamaica in the way that it should be represented, and I'm so honored to be a part of This Is Jamaica. So Jamaicans.com, thank you so much. Big up.